Hello. Hi.
Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it can still be fair. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore.
Uh-huh.
No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night.
Hello.
Thank you.
2, 5,
Nice.
we wanna get away. Another day.
Okay.
No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore.
No. No. No.
I just wanna say hello. Do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't just say hello.
No, 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 no. No. No.
And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't pick us up. Instead, they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't want to
Wow.
do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so. Put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run. Do
Welcome.
they can't hold on forever, so just say hello.
Thank you for watching. Link on the dolls templates you will find in the description of this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Just wanna
Hope to
say
see you in my next videos. Bye-bye.